Greetings everyone, I'm Emre Ata. Binance Launchpad announced a new project, a game token. It's good for us and good for you. There is our website exchangereferralcodes.com. You can get information about all cryptocurrencies and exchange on internet. First, if you don't have any account on Binance, you can click here and you can fill this form. For example, we are living in Austria. Confirm, create personal account and fill this form and click next. Everything's so easy. But you must see this number here and this code here, my friends. In this way you can get commission discount code, commission kickback code. Yes. After fill this form, complete your KYC approval. And after, we need BNB for this event. League of Kingdoms token. For League of Kingdoms token pre-sale, we need BNB. How we can buy BNB first time? You will come here and you can click credit or debit card. You can write here 2000 USA dollar and you can find here, you should find here BNB. Wait a second. Yes. Click continue, add your credit or debit card numbers and click continue again. Now we have BNB. We should go Launchpad page. We are in Launchpad page. You see, this is League of Kingdoms. You should click here. If you don't, if you don't have BNB, you should click here and buy BNB. So easy. Now, how it's work this system? 8 day, you see, as you see. 8 day, we need buy BNB and we need to keep our BNBs in our account. Which account? This account. Spot, fiat, sub and others. But don't keep your BNBs in this accounts. Don't forget this. Yes. How is working this system? 8 day, we need to keep our BNB in our account. And after system calculated or money or price or BNBs, and after system will offer us, hey, your limit is 1 BNB or 2 BNB or 3 BNB or 0.5 BNB. After we in here we can click lock button or stake button or apply button, okay, and we can lock or BNBs or in this system. In this way, for example, system take us from us or BNBs 1 BNB or 2 BNB or 0.5 BNB. I told you, system take from us or BNBs and will give us a League of Kingdom token. And when this token list on Binance, we can start buy and sell. It's so easy. Yes, my friends, this is Emre Ata. Thank you for watching my video. I wish you can earn great money with this event. If you don't have information about Binance or exchange, you should follow our Telegram channel or YouTube channel, and you can visit our website. Wish you a good day. Emre Ata.